This is a email list growth masterclass the right way. First, let's understand what is list growth. List growth is the rate at which new subscribers join your email list. It can be both email and SMS. There's one more thing, account creation. List growth from email pop-up sign up is different than account creation. Differences between list growth and email sign up slash account creation. There are five variables. List growth focus. Email sign up we directly focus on list growth. But with account creation, we the list growth is our second priority. With strategy, we use pop-up forms, footer forms, exit intent forms, etc. Offers, etc. With for account creation, we have a separate page for account creation. Barrier to entry email is very low. You just have to enter your email. But with for account creation is high because we have to add email, password, other info, ideal size, maximum size of list, account creation, ideal use, maximum size of list, account creation, deepen relationships with loyal customers, and best practices, fast capture and nurture later. But for account creation, we offer put in check-in during sign up, which means email sign up check checkbox is the secondary priority. Second, why focus on email list? It's a very simple mathematical explanation. Let me explain. The more volume of people you send your emails to, the more revenue for your brand. Let me give you an example. Brand A has 55,000 subscribers. Brand B has 50,000 subscribers. Almost 10x bigger list. Both brands have the same performance metrics. Open rate 30%, click through rate 5%, conversion rate 5%, average order value 70%. For emails open, brand A at 30% will have 1500 opens. Now let's calculate setup step. Now let's calculate step by step how this affects our revenue over long term. First email opened 5,000 and 50,000. With same email open date, we have A for brand A, 1500 opens and 15,000 opens for brand B. Email clicked with same metrics, 75 click and 750 clicks. Conversion 4 sales, 38 sales. Revenue 280 emails, 2060 $2,660 per email. In final results, for brand A, revenue per email sent will be 280 emails, $80. Final results for brand A, revenue per email sent will be 280 emails. For brand B, revenue per email sent will be $2,660. It's a clear difference of thousands of dollars. And most important question, how to actually grow your list in order to achieve great results. First is pop-up form. This is will result in the most growth of your pop-up list. First is pop-up form. This will result in the most growth of your email list. It has four components. First, offer. Offer should be something that people cannot say no to. For example, here are some offer examples that you can use for your brand. Dollar off when your AOV is below $100. Sorry, offer. Pop-up form has four components. First, offer. Offer should be something that people cannot say no to. Offers example that you can use for your brand. Percentage off when AOV is below 100. so it does not affect your margins negatively. Then dollar off when AOV is above 100, so it also doesn't affect your margins negatively. Then we have mystery discount to create suspense and curiosity in the reader's mind. You can also use free X video order, free shipping. You can give them entry in a giveaway, give them a free guide, educational, early access to new product launches. Second, timing. It can be anywhere from 6 to 12 minutes, or after someone scrolls 50% of your website, or when someone tries to exit your website. And we then have a design. The moment pop up the moment pop-up comes up, reader's eyes should focus on the offer. It should clearly convey what's in it for me. And for reader, what's in it for me is the offer that they are getting. Fourth, using sequence. This is a human psychological trick, or this is a human psychological principle. When someone commits, when someone shows, sl- when someone shows smallest commitment to an action or slash direction, they are more likely to continue in that direction. First, on the first page, as soon as the pop-up comes up, they have the offer, and we ask if they want a mystery discount, if they want this offer or not. Then we ask them for email, then we ask them for their SMS, and then we have thank you page. You can't ask for email and SMS in the first page. And here we have some examples of great emails pop-ups. This one is highly engaging. People want to scratch this to these to see. These are some great examples of good pop-up forms. When you see this pop-up form, people want to subconsciously scratch and see what they have got. And if you look at this email, the offer, the first thing it is right eyes go to is the offer, 30% off. Get 16 meals free. Who wouldn't want that offer? 16 meals free with free shipping. Everyone wants that. And the permission bar for email marketing is unticked by default at the checkout page. So you can change it to ticked by default, and it can boost conversions from 5 to 10% to 80 and 90% because of lack of friction. You can also funnel email traffic to your SMS. Push email traffic from campaigns and post purchase flows to SMS, which can also result beneficial in the long term. And that's how you effectively grow your email list or SMS list and generate more revenue for your e-com brand. If you are an e-com brand and want to add 30 and 100 to 120K to your revenue, click the first link in the description to talk to me. Doesn't matter if you have done email marketing in the past or you are just starting out.